I'm Mark Batson with Tongue & Groove Design+Build in Wilmington, North Carolina, and today we're on Bald Eagle Lane. So in this home, which is waterfront, we were tasked with creating a space with 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, elaborate indoor and outdoor spaces, gym, 3-car garage, and toy garage. And we all fit it within 4,600 square feet. So the 2-bay toy garage includes all the things that you need for a boating lifestyle, from paddle boards, to kayaks, to surfboards, to scuba gear, and even bikes for your terrestrial activities. The 3-car garage has ample space for not only regular cars, but we also have charging stations for your electric powered vehicles. Once you leave the motor court in this house, you approach the front door with a nice wide brick pathway, with a single step for easy access to double doors that open to your water view. As soon as you enter this home, you're struck with a great water view. But the beauty of this space planning is that it's still private from the occupants inside. So when you enter this home, you're immediately struck with nature. Biophilic design is simply the study of how to connect the occupants with outdoor space. This lot allowed us 70 feet of waterfront area, so all the public spaces are aligned with the view. So from the living room to the dining room to the kitchen, everybody gets the connection with nature. So a lot of the homes that we design, the kitchen is the heart of the home, but in this instance, the wine room is the heart of the home. Well, fine architecture, like art, is always better when there's meaning involved. If you look up above in the wine center, you'll see the Union Jack, which is a nod to the homeowner who hails from Britain. It includes storage for up to 700 bottles, including a winerator, so you can keep your expensive bottles of wine fresh for up to 30 days. All right, so the kitchen in this house, every nook and cranny has something cool in it. From the herb closet, where you can grow cilantro to make salsa, to the Dutch door, where you can see your little dog out here, to the aircraft carrier size island with the built-in butcher block top, to the 4.5-foot wide walkway, so that when you're entertaining, you have lots of room. Lastly, when you wake up in the morning, you've got a tea, coffee bar, along with a cozy, upholstered booth. In homes like this, back kitchens are key because with the open concept, you have all your countertops exposed. This allows for utility space hidden. So you've got an extra dishwasher, sink, microwave, warming drawer, and extra storage. So leaving the butlers or back kitchen, we have more functional space. The mudroom connection between our breezeway and the house includes areas for coat hanging, doggy beds, place to change your shoes, and the laundry room. Primary suite is directly attached to the main living areas, and it includes beautiful truss and planked ceiling. But the best part about this space is our natural water view, but then also the view that we added with a lap pool. So you feel like you're surrounded by water when you're in this room. Right off of this primary suite, which is private from all the public spaces, is your own personal access to your outdoor shower, which is right through this door. Primary bathroom is comprised of double vanities on either side, tub, and awesome walk-in shower with light wells and cascading blue ombre glass tiles. The primary bathroom has contiguous spaces from the shower to the double vanity to the walk-in closet, so all easily accessible and practical for daily living. Elevator to the second floor, which the Brits may call a lift. So the second floor in this home has themes, each room, but also the elevator does as well. It mimics a shark cage, so we wrap the inside with images of great whites from the outside of a shark cage. Room number 1, cottage room. 2 double beds, planking on the ceiling, little beams. Concept room number 2, sea shanty. Theme behind this one, since we're in coastal North Carolina, is to replicate an old beach house, which would have included open framing, planking on the outside, no insulation. Theme room number 3. This is the ship room. So it replicates the inside of a ship with the planking, the exposed timbers, the ribs of the ship, and little nods with curves and arched porthole openings. The connection between the main house and the garage is connected by this breezeway, which gives you a nice sound block between your fitness room activities and the garage. Part of biophilic design is wellness, and so we're in the fitness center, which is over the garage. This key lime green color is vibrant, and it should energize you on the Peloton, the elliptical weight bench, or even if you want to do a bar class. Outdoor living in this home includes a covered lanai, which we're in right now. And it's a mirror of what's inside, so kitchen, dining, and living. So in our climate, during the summer, the prevailing winds come from the southwest in the summertime. And so when you're out under this covered space, you might want to pick up a little extra breeze, so we installed this pivot shutter wall. Summer kitchen, invariably you're always going to forget something, so we installed this sliding window. Someone needs to pass you the mustard. But one of my favorite features is the kegerator, 2 different taps. We then have a refrigerator, we've got a cooktop to do oysters, grill, ice maker, sink, and then a nod to the nautical with the teak and holly countertops. So I'm walking out of the primary suite and through the outdoor shower, which has access from both the pool deck and the primary. And then we have our toy storage over here, which also includes a little water closet. Cool thing about this house is that it's made for resort style living, which includes a sun shelf, hot tub, and then a lap lane for exercise. Cool thing is that when you dive underwater, the distributed audio that's in the air, we also have underwater speakers so that you never miss a beat. Resort style living always includes things like summer kitchen, easy flow from indoor-outdoor spaces, awesome infinity edge pools, but also connectivity to your outdoor activities. Excursions, you might say. So on this dock, we have jet skis, kayaks, paddleboards, boats, and a 70-foot T-head dock to support all your friends that want to come over and hang out as well.